Now, we all love Midjourney. I mean, the art that this AI tool can generate is honestly just completely breathtaking. And the unfortunate part about it is that our free trials come to an end inevitably. Now, you have the choice of going on one of the paid plans, but each of the paid plans are still limited in their own way. You still have a certain number of generations that you can do, fast or slow, and not everyone wants to pay for the service, Because it might just be a fun thing for you, or you might not be able to afford it right now. Luckily, there is an alternative that I discovered called Blue Willow, and it's a lot like Midjourney in the sense that you have to go over to the website and click the join the free beta. It's totally free as of right now, and it's in a Discord server. So let's head over to the server and take a look. Now, when you first join the server, it's actually kind of funny how similar it is to Midjourney server. You get thrown onto this get started page. You just click the green check mark and you go to what they call the rookie tab, and you can go ahead and you can already see people's artwork here. Now, I do want to go ahead and point out that there is a noticeable contrast in the quality of art that you would get from a service like Midjourney as compared to Blue Willow. Obviously, the trade-off is Blue Willow is free and you get to do whatever you want as many times as you want. And you could still create pretty impressive and fun art. It is just a bit more limited, and you might have to try multiple different things, different prompts, and work it out that way. So I actually have a prompt that I typed up that I wanted to try and see what it gave us. So we're going to type /imagine. Go ahead and give that prompt, and just like Midjourney, you put it in and you have to wait. And oh my goodness, there's a lot of people on here right now because it's just flying through. And as soon as I said that, it kind of stopped. But anyways, we're just going to wait for ours. And while we wait, I would really appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And here we have it. We have our 4 iterations and a 4-part block, just like Midjourney. You can see it's a little bit less detailed. The way I would describe it is if Midjourney is like 1080p YouTube, and this is like 480p or 720, something like that. It's not quite up to par, but it's still cool. And it could actually be a tool to use that if you want to experiment with some prompts before going over to Midjourney, which is gonna, cut into your generation limit. So you could practice here and then head over there. You still have the 4 different upscales and the 4 different variations. This one is a bit more limited, so let's go ahead and, I like this 4th one. Let's go ahead and upscale the 4th one. All right, and here we have a larger version of the image. I believe when you click the upscale button, it just gives you the larger format. It doesn't upscale it the same way that Midjourney does. When you do it in Midjourney, there's some details that are changed or possibly added upon and whatnot, but I do think this is a good image. So I'm gonna go ahead and try one more prompt and see what we get. All right, I went ahead and tried a different prompt: sci-fi, neon purple lighting, moon crater, eclipse, 4K, cyborg. It doesn't really seem like cyborg, isn't it, so much? Maybe in this top right one with the little robot looking thing. But I do believe if you just do variations, you can kind of cater it towards more what you were looking for. All in all, I do believe that this is a good alternative, but it does lack the X factor that Midjourney has. Feel free to let me know how you guys feel about the Blue Willow AI tool, and if you create anything cool, let me know.